pretend we're gardeners. I put on my gardening apron. I brought my watering can, and I brought some seeds. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow up these seeds so we can see what they look like. Ready? We're gonna blow on them. 1, 2, 3. Look, this is my friendly little seed that I'm going to plant in the ground. Hello, friends. Here is my garden. I plant it with care. Here are the seeds. I'll plant in there. The sun will shine, and the rain will fall, and the seeds will sprout and grow up tall. Good, let's do that one more time. So everybody, can you do your hands with me? This is my garden. I plant it with care. Here are the seeds. I'll plant in there. The sun will shine. The rain will fall. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. Just like you guys, I bet you're growing taller every day. Okay, here's another one. This one has a bit of a magic trick at the end, so pay attention. A little seed for me to sow. Here's my earth. A little earth to make it grow. A little hole, a little pat, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, and then in a little while, a little flower. Good job. You guys are doing great. Okay, I've got one more song for you about flowers. Do you remember all my flowers? But today we're going to call them by their names. So I'm going to say them first, and then you say it after me. Rose, tulip, marigold, daffodil, iris, pansy. Did you know there were so many different colors of flowers, different kinds of flowers, and they all use different seeds? So if you plant a seed for a marigold, you get a marigold. If you plant a seed for a rose, you'll get a rose. Maybe you can pretend to make a garden at home, or maybe you can make a real garden this spring and watch the flowers bloom. There's a little flower, a flower, a flower. There's a little flower on my garden path. A flower so neat, a rose, it's so sweet. There's a little flower on my garden path. Can you sing it with me one more time? There's a little flower, a flower, a flower. There's a little flower on my garden path. A flower so neat. Let's do an pansy so sweet. There's a little flower on my garden path. Good job, everybody.